to give credit to my coaching staff, my players for that for trusting that we did today. But again, it's like tulad nga ng sinabi mo, we cannot really start like this all the time. Hindi kami pwede parang kami nag-aabot. Siguro I'd rather na kami yung hinahabol kasi kami nag-aabol. So hopefully, I think katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, I really challenge my starting five. If you think about it, my starting five is composed of 5 young players. I know they're very talented. They're capable of really winning games for us, but the important thing is really for them to play together, to play together from the start and set the goal for us. So yun ang nagiging problem, but I think we're gonna use this break to clean that up. And hopefully when we get back, and when we get back, we don't have a choice because we're playing back-to-back games against teams actually nasa ibabaw the team standing. So we really have to be on point when we get back after this long break. But again, we'll take a lot of positives again in this game, but a lot of things to learn again in this game.
You're not ready to take questions from
Congratulations. Kasi sabi ko muna yung last question na nga ako yung last game, slow strikes. Saan was the other game yung slow strikes?
Actually, hindi lang last 2 games. Most of our games, we started really flat. I don't know. Actually, hindi ko alam. I always tell my players that when we start the game, we should not expect anything. Especially offensively. The only thing that we're going to expect going to the game is for us to get the stops from start to finish. We have to win every quarter. So we have to really, for us to win a quarter, we really have to start better than paano kami mag-start. So hindi kami pwede yung ganito. Hindi pwede yung slow start na kami with our offense, slow start na with our defense. So it cannot be like that. But again, I'd rather see a score in the first half 2-2, 4-2, 8-2, 10-8, diba? I'd rather see that than it's a little bit of high scoring first quarter and we're down. That's not our game. That's not our game.
What's the Rafi is to next player that we was nung off-season yung mga from the agency ano masasabi mo sa kanya adjustments ito and playing well tonight for
Rafi and all the players actually, even the players that don't play that much, if you see them in practice, hindi kayo masusurprise kung bakit ganito sila maglaro every time they step on the court. So nakikita lang kasi natin, pag naglalaro sila ng 3 minutes, 4 minutes, but these players, they work hard every day in practice, and I see that. So I know and I trust them, and they trust me that every time I put them on the court, I know they're gonna do any positive on our team. Not necessarily offensively. Today, swerte lang to, nakashoot lang but what I really like about this game is really his presence defensively for us to get a stop and this opportunity to run the floor. So yun yung importante lang na lagi ko sinasabi sa mga players, yung players coming off the bench. Just be ready lang.
Rafi, we need the fourth quarter you were the one who went pull away from that slim lead about your contribution in that stretch.
Like what Coach Shelley said, I stand out and I come in with whatever minutes I get defensively. I think that's where I find my groove. And like Coach said, I do one thing. It's nice to best about this team is anyone can come out and score. You know, scoring is just a bonus, but usually, you know, you harps on defense all the time. So, luckily, like I said, I'm the one that got my opportunities to score today.
Rami, can you just talk about your journey? How did you able to land with Magnolia after your season with the Eagles?
Yeah, I mean, it was tough. I was in a tough position. Looking around, you know, Coach LA gave me a shot. And, you know, I just worked my butt off when I was training with them. And within the number, he saw what I could bring defensively.
So, finish mo ang pagkakaroon with the Eagles.
Yes.
And then, hindi ka na nila in-offer ng pagkakaroon. So, nung nakita ko kay Rafi, late addition siya sa team, di ba?
Oh.
So, ako lang nakita ko kuha ng mix.
Gusto ko mag-batch kasi sa rehearsal eh. Gusto ko yung pogi din yung mga players. Hindi ka naman aside from, you know, the Blue Eagle connection, di ba? Gusto ko tapatan na rin. At least doon makatapat kami sa rehearsal. Diba? Kahit hindi na, may hirapang kami sa game sa kanila eh. So, kahit sa papogi yan, tatapat kami. So, hindi lang. Pero, I mean, it's a good, I think, yung palagay ng ulo ni Rafi, no? But I think what I like about him and the other players here, they have great attitude. No? With my players, you know, number one is really they trust me. It's hard for them to trust a young coach like me. Diba? Ganun talaga ang perception eh. That's natural tendency of a player. Dumaan ako dyan. So, but all my players, they have good and great attitude. Not only as a player, but as a person. And that's what I like to listen. That's why I told them, whether we win or lose the game, as long as we play our game and play the right way, we will have our chance. We will have our time. We will go to the next level. Basically, we're a young team. We're a young team. Kasama na ako doon, diba? As a coach, I'm a young coach. So we're really, you know, working our way up as a team. And that's what these players really showing me. Yun yung sinasabi ko na attitude and character of this team. So hopefully we move forward after this. And again, I don't want to tap their backs right away because we have really, really tough schedule ahead of us. Kung makikita yan. Remember, ang dalawang talo namin against champion teams. No? So, and we will face more champion teams. No? And that's a big test for us.
Thank you.
That wraps up our post-game press conference. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's... Thank you.
Coach, pogi ka